Well, hello everyone, thanks for joining me for another recipe, and today we'll be making an extremely easy 3-ingredient, high-protein, healthy chocolate pudding, of course, made vegan. It's an extremely amazing recipe for those people who are trying to eat healthier but still want to indulge in comfort. And this is a high-protein, deliciously made chocolate pudding that's made with just 3 ingredients. So let's get to it. So to a food processor, add 1 can of drained butter beans or any white beans of choice. Add 5.3 ounces of melted dark chocolate. Make sure it's vegan. I melted my chocolate using a bain-marie, so over a bowl and underneath steaming water. But you can melt the chocolate in the microwave. Just make sure that you do it slowly and in intervals. But whatever method you use, just make sure it's nicely melted. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So depending on how sweet you like it, you can adjust the amount of maple syrup you add. I like to keep it between 1 to 2 tablespoons. Right, so you will need to scrape off the sides a few times just to ensure that everything is smoothly blended. So you may need to blend for probably about 6 or 7 minutes, making sure you scrape in between the blending. So as you can see, I've transferred my chocolate mix onto a bowl, and I have also whipped the bean juice that I asked you to keep from the can of beans that we used earlier. Now I've whipped this for about 6 to 7 minutes, and now I'm going to gently fold this onto my chocolate mix so we can give it body and volume. And there we have it. As you can see, it has doubled in volume. It's very creamy mousse-like. Now transfer this onto your desired serving dish and chill it in the fridge for about an hour, ideally several hours, but an hour will do. So I'm going to use a big plate because I want to make it like a sharing plate. You can, of course, serve it onto small jars or serving or dessert plates so that it can fit for a beautiful after dinner dessert. But as I said, I'm going to put it into one big plate, and then I'm going to decorate it and use it as a sharing plate. So let's chill this for an hour. And an hour later, as you can see, it's nicely set, so it's definitely ready. Now you can add desired toppings of choice. This is optional, but I want to kind of make it pretty and to be suitable for a nice sharing plate. So I'm gonna go for some strawberries, blueberries, and I'm gonna use some apple slices just for the dipping. I'm also gonna add some cacao nibs, but again, this is optional, but I kind of want to add them because they're tasty and pretty and very, very nutritious.